Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Sherry 4x4. Today I'm super excited to show you the all-new 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Let's check it out. Sarge green is the color of this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This being Jeep's top trim level in a Wrangler. And not only that, it's upfitted with the Rocky Ridge K2 package, which is the 2-inch suspension lift, 35-inch BFGoodrich tires, 18-inch wheels, and a lot more. Let's take a look here. So the first thing that catches my eye on this Wrangler is the awesome color, Sarge green. Such a great Wrangler color. And it's integrated in here in this front bumper that Rocky Ridge upgrades this Jeep with. Has the 20-inch light bar here. Fog lights built in. Acts as a giant front skid plate here. Behind this color coordinated cover, it is prepped for a winch. Let's check out some of these suspension upgrades. Notice how the suspension parts are painted. Fox 2.5-inch shocks. BFGoodrich mud terrain. KM3 tires, again 35-inch. This being a Rubicon, you get fenders that are a little bit taller. They're 1.5 inches taller. Allows you to get that bigger wheel and tire on there to kind of show you the difference here. Look at the fender here on this non-Rubicon. See how it sits below the line there, where the Rubicon is pretty much right at the line. So you get a bigger aggressive fender. The fenders are painted as well on the Rubicon. This particular Rubicon is powered by the 3.6 liter V6, which has been in Rubicons for a long time now. Beautiful thing about this is upfitted with the e-torque system by Jeep. What that e-torque system is, a mild hybrid system. And before I lose you thinking, oh, I don't want no hybrid Wrangler. What this means for you is you get a serious amount of torque at startup with this e-torque system. Also, in the city, they're getting 4 more miles a gallon if you're kind of into MPGs. Yeah, another shot here at the suspension upgrades. Stainless steel steps to get up into the Jeep. Rocky Ridge emblem on them. Also acts as a rock guard, protect the rocker panels when you're off-roading. Rocky Ridge upgrades the wheel mount here for the spare tire. It allows them to put the same size wheel and tire, still mounted to the door just like a factory Wrangler wheel. Beautiful thing about Rocky Ridge is all their parts that they've added onto this Jeep to upgrade it are backed by a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, which is matches the factory warranty. And also beautiful thing about all Rocky Ridge upfitted parts is they're all federal motor vehicle safety standard compliant. What that means for you is this vehicle not only is going to perform off-road, but it's going to be safe for you on-road. All right, let's check out the inside of this all-new Rubicon. It's sweet. So coming in, Rubicon's going to have your leather wrapped seats. This has got the 3-piece hardtop. Rubicon emblems in the seat. Red stitching. All around, just really sick vehicle. Now what Rocky Ridge does in here is they paint the accent panels in here. It's going to be your dash, center console, to match the exterior color of the Jeep, which is Sarge green. Power locks, cruise control on the steering wheel here, hands-free connectivity. This being a Wrangler, you're going to get Rubicon Wrangler, you're going to get locking front and rear differentials. You'll get electronic disconnecting sway bar. What that means is when you disconnect that sway bar, you're not going to do it when you're driving down the highway. You're going to do it when you're off-road. That's going to allow your suspension to travel a lot more. This has got the rock track gear ratio. When you put it in 4 low, it gets you 4-to-1 gear ratio, which is unbelievable gear ratio for off-roading. 8-speed automatic transmission. You can individually select the gear shifters down there. Here's your auxiliary ports here. One of them there is going to be hooked up for your front light bar. Back seats, super spacious back here. Seating for 3. Does have the sound bar up top here. Now this top here as well, these 2 front parts come off like T-tops, go in a bag in the back, and you can enjoy the nice outdoors, sun beating down on you while you're out riding the Wrangler. So if you're looking for one of the sickest performance Jeeps out there, give us a call here at Sherry Chrysler. I'll post a link below how to contact us. Check out our inventory. We have like 40 Wranglers in stock right now. We offer nationwide shipping. We have financing available as well. You can finance this entire Jeep, from all the upgrades, the factory components, everything can be financed, which is a beautiful part about this. One really awesome thing about Rocky Ridge, you go to try to lift the Jeep, put bigger wheels and stuff on yourself. Rocky Ridge tests all their components, and they are put on this Jeep for this particular Jeep. They're not, wheels that could go on a truck or an SUV or a Wrangler. All the components on this Jeep are for this Jeep. So what you get is just a ride that is unbelievable. I've drove and reviewed a lot of lifted vehicles, and the Rocky Ridge, time and time again, is just the most well thought out, researched, and designed lifted system for a Wrangler. So definitely check them out. Check out more information. Sorry for my jumbleness, but with that, my name's Mike. This is the all-new 2021 Rubicon.